In this video, you will learn 11 plus vocabulary list. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to master 11 plus exam techniques to land in your dream grammar school, start right now by subscribing and clicking on the bell so you don't miss anything. Slap or blow, typically one given with the palm of the hand. Starts with S. In this picture, we can see someone slapping another person. So the word for this example is going to be smack. And the sentence for this word is, turn the lights on before you enter the room, otherwise you'd smack your head into the wall. The next definition is decline, refuse, starts with S. In this picture, we can see a wall covered with rejected. So this means the word is going to be spurn. The sentence is, my friend spurned my offers for help. Before we go into the next one, let's recall the previous slide. And the previous slide is smack. Let's go into the next one. Feeling that something is unworthy. In this picture, we can see two people throwing away things that they think are unworthy. So the word is going to be disdain. And the sentence is, they believed that the old items were disdain. Let's recall the previous slide. And the previous slide is spurn. Let's go into the next one. Assign the responsibility for doing something starts with E. In this picture, we can see people planning out as they have been assigned with the responsibility and they're doing something. So the word is going to be entrust. And the sentence for this word is, me and my friends have been entrusted with organizing the presentation in the school. Now let's recall the previous slide. And the previous slide is disdain. Let's go on to the next one. Person sent as a diplomatic representative on a special mission starts with E. In this picture, we can see a soldier that has been sent on a diplomatic representative on a special mission. This means the word is going to be emissary. And the sentence is, he flew to Argentina as the personal emissary of the government. So let's recall the previous slide once again, and it is entrust. The next definition is representative, starts with D. In this picture, we can see someone representing and is taking a presentation. So the word is going to be delegate. And the sentence is, I have been elected as the delegate to the annual conference. The previous slide is emissary. The next definition is deliver, starts with C. In this picture, we can see someone delivering flowers. So the word is consign. The sentence is, consign that flowers before this afternoon. Let's recall the previous slide. And the previous slide is delegate. Let's go on to the next one. The next one is leave property to a person or other beneficiary by a will. In this picture, we can see someone holding a card that says last will and testament. So the word is going to be bequeath. The sentence is, his grandparents bequeathed him all of their properties. Let's recall the previous slide. And the previous slide is consign. Luxurious starts with O. In this picture, we can see a luxurious hotel. And the word is going to be opulent. And the sentence is, always be grateful for your opulent lifestyle. Now let's recall the previous slide. And the previous slide is bequeath. Woman who's trained to assist women in childbirth starts with M. In this picture, we can see a woman holding a child. So the word is going to be midwife. The sentence is, midwives will help you through pregnancy. Now let's recall the previous slide. And the previous slide is opulent. Before we start the quiz, if you guys do want more vocabulary resources, I've got the link in the description for more resources. So go check that out. Now it's quiz time, and let's see how much we can remember of what we learned. The first question we have is luxurious starts with O. In this picture, we can see a luxurious hotel. The second is deliver starts with C. In this picture, we can see someone delivering flowers. The third one is leave property to a person or other beneficiary by a will. In this picture, we can see someone holding a card saying last will and testament. The next one is feeling that something is unworthy. Now, let's go into results to see how well we did. First one is opulent, second is consign, third is bequeath, and the fourth is disdain. So well done for attempting the quiz, and I hope you got all right. Now to learn more on 11 Plus Vocab, click the video on the right, and to learn the previous type, click the video on the left. So take your pick. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.